Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla spotted working on new Cybertruck prototype, drone gets dangerously close. New Tesla Cybertruck accessory wants to turn the electric pickup truck into a boat. Tesla car Colorizer and version 11 UI fixes arrive in North America with 2022.4.5 software update. And Tesla updates Supercharger map with many new upcoming stations and timelines. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla was spotted working on a new Cybertruck prototype at Fremont factory. While it's nice to see more footage of the highly anticipated new electric pickup truck, the footage makes us a bit uncomfortable with how close the drones get to the prototype and Tesla employees. We were expecting to get an update about the Cybertruck during Tesla's product roadmap update that CEO Elon Musk said he would release as part of the company's Q4 2021 earnings. However, the CEO only announced that the Cybertruck has been delayed to hopefully 2023 due to supply chain constraints. Nonetheless, a new prototype of the electric pickup truck has been spotted around California and Texas over the last month. In December, Tesla was spotted testing a new prototype of the Cybertruck on its test track at Fremont factory. A few weeks later, Tesla brought a new prototype of the Cybertruck to Gigafactory, Texas. Several pictures and even a video of the updated version of the electric pickup truck have leaked online. Now it looks like the prototype is back in Fremont and Tesla is working on it, as it was spotted in a new drone flyover. Tesla appears to be installing equipment, likely sensors on the prototype. Part of the trims around the bed and wheel wells are also covered. The drone video with people around gives a good idea of the size of the latest version of the truck, which has been rumored to be smaller after the latest pictures came out. From this video, it looks to be of similar size as the original prototype unveiled in 2019. The large single windshield wiper that has been a controversial addition to the latest prototype is not visible in this video. We are happy to get another close look at the vehicle, however, we can't condone this kind of drone flying. In the video, the drone appears to get dangerously close to the vehicle and Tesla employees, to the point that you can see them being concerned and sort of chasing it away. While we get that people are excited to see the electric pickup, but it should be kept respectful. Moving to the next update, new Tesla Cybertruck accessory wants to turn the electric pickup truck into a boat. While the Tesla Cybertruck has recently been delayed again, the hype is so strong around the electric pickup truck that some people are already working on third-party accessories for the vehicle. Now, we see the most ambitious project yet, a kit that transformed the Tesla Cybertruck into an electric boat. When it comes to ambitious Cybertruck accessories, we thought that nothing could beat the Cyberlander, which is trying to fit a full camper into the electric pickup's bed. But we were wrong. We believe the newly announced Cybercat catamaran is an even more ambitious new product designed for the Cybertruck. The project was launched by Anthony Diamond, a PhD in material science from Berkeley and a serial entrepreneur. On a new website for the concept, they explain what prompted them to develop the Cybercat. As an early Cybertruck reservation holder and a Model 3 owner, Anthony was excited about tweets from Elon that indicated the Cybertruck should be able to serve as a boat for short periods. However, this capability would ultimately be limited by the speed at which wheel rotation could propel the vehicle, and it would never go fast enough to be compelling. The concept consists of an easy-to-assemble kit that can attach to the Cybertruck to turn it into a catamaran. It is equipped with 1 to 5 50-kilowatt outboard motors, which they aim to have powered by the Cybertruck's battery pack. Combined with the Cybertruck's adaptive air suspension, the concept could potentially make the Cybercat amphibious. The adaptive ride height of the Cybertruck and the folding inflatable pontoons of the Cybercat provide 12-inch of ground clearance. Once in the water, the electric outboard motors, pontoons, and hydrofoils fold down, and the wheels retract out of the water for quick takeoff. In shallow water or around docks, Cybercat can precisely maneuver, propelled by the wheel rotation of the Cybertruck. While there's no working prototype yet, they are anticipating a top speed of over 25 miles per hour and a range of 50 to 115 miles, depending on cruising speed. This is based on a Cybertruck with a range of over 500 miles on land. The company is aiming for a price of $22,900 to $32,900, depending on the number of outboard motors. The company is also planning to do a hydrofoil version of the kit for higher speed and efficiency. The Cybercat foiler takes this one step further by adding hydrofoils to maximize efficiency on the water and unleashing industry-leading performance for all-electric watercraft. It would increase the price of the package by about $10,000. The whole concept is still in the early stages of development, and unlike the Cyberlander, they are not taking reservations just yet, but they are talking about it as they test the market. It is risky to start such an ambitious project based on a truck that has been delayed several times already. Moving to the next update, Tesla car Colorizer and version 11 UI fixes arrive in North America with 2022.4.5 software update. Tesla has started a wide release of their latest 2022.4.5 software update recently, with one of the first installations taking place on a Model Y in Alberta. We already knew this update would include a fix for the seatbelt chime that was subject to a recall last week, but there are also a number of other surprises included in the release. First released in China last month, you can now change the color of your car's render with the car Colorizer. Screenshots of the new feature were shared by a Drive Tesla reader, Brangwin. You can select any color from a color wheel and select either a solid, metallic, or matte paint type. The custom colors are not only visible on the in-car display, but also follow through to the mobile app. Elon Musk has promised a number of UI improvements coming after the release of the new version 11 software in the holiday software update. The first improvement has now arrived with the ability to save dashcam clips from the home screen with a new icon for the bottom bar. Although the release notes only mention dashcam clips, it also appears as though driver profile and Wi-Fi or LTE signal icons are also back on the home screen. It looks like the driver profile and Wi-Fi or LTE icons are only visible on the home screen when in park. The update also includes the improved regenerative braking in autopilot, first seen in the 2022.4 software update. It states, autopilot will now use more regenerative braking at low speeds for higher efficiency and an improved driving experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Increased use of regenerative braking results in less brake pedal noise and smoother stops. Moving to the last update, Tesla updates Supercharger map with many new upcoming stations and timelines. Tesla has released an updated version of its Supercharger map with many new upcoming stations added and updated timelines for expected completion. The automaker aims to triple the size of its Supercharger network. Every year, Tesla releases an updated version of its Supercharger map on its Find Us page. With those updates, the automaker adds newly planned stations to the map and updates the timeline of the previously planned stations, as those often slip behind schedule. It can be very difficult to open a new fast charging station, as there are so many stakeholders and a long sequence of work to happen before a new station can open. Once Tesla knows it wants or needs to open a new supercharger in a specific area, it needs to find a property to build it on and get the property owners to agree to a contract. Then the automaker needs to design the project, get it approved by the municipality and the local electric utility. Then it needs to schedule a local contractor to do the installation and work with the local utility to get it activated. If Tesla runs into an issue with just one of those steps, a project can see a significant delay. We are seeing a lot of that with this new map update, as a lot of projects that were shown to be expected in 2021 are now seeing Q3 and Q4 2022 timelines. But Tesla is still growing the network fast. The automaker went from 23,277 superchargers at 2,564 stations at the end of 2020 to 31,498 superchargers at 3,476 stations at the end of 2021. That's growing at a 35% year-over-year pace. However, it is lagging behind vehicle deliveries, which grew 87% during the same period of time, on top of now gradually starting to allow non-Tesla EV owners to use the network. It also lags behind Tesla's own goal to triple the Supercharger network in 2 years. It looks like Tesla also added a lot of planned stations in Europe, where it is first allowing non-Tesla EV owners to use the network, where demand is expected to grow the fastest. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.